You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this word. These two words, they are different. They have a very different meaning, but some similarities when it comes to pronunciation in English. So the top word is probably the most confusing one. It's pronounced banal. It comes from French banal. Banal. Stress on the second syllable, something that is very, very neutral, doesn't have any flavors or taste. It's bland, essentially. Banal. The bottom word is a fruit, pronounced banana in English. How to pronounce in English? Banal or and banana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.